Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the Momentum True Wireless 4 and enable Bluetooth on your PC. Once done, open the charging case with the earbuds inside to force pairing mode. The LEDs indicate readiness. Make sure the earbuds are near the PC and any interfering Bluetooth devices are off. This reduces confusion during discovery and speeds pairing. Now proceed to your PC's Bluetooth settings so you can actively search and add a new device. On Windows, go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth and Devices and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. You'll see the Momentum True Wireless 4 appear. Click it to pair. You might see two entries, one for stereo audio and one for calls. Select the stereo/headphones option for best sound quality. If a PIN is requested, accept it or enter 0000. Usually no PIN is needed. Once paired, Windows confirms connection. Make sure the device shows as connected for audio so apps can use it. Finally, set the Momentum as your default output in sound settings and choose the preferred audio format for apps. If you need the mic, switch to the hands-free profile but expect reduced audio fidelity. Use the stereo profile for music. If audio doesn't route or connection drops, restart your PC's Bluetooth service, toggle Bluetooth off/on, or reset the earbuds by following Sennheiser's reset steps. If problems persist, update PC Bluetooth drivers and the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.